This soon-to-be-revealed smartphone was already spotted on Malaysia's Serum certification platform, tagged with the model number ATU-A556E. Although the certification didn't spill the beans on the specs, the Galaxy F55 has been teasing us on various platforms like TENAA, NBTC, and the FCC. Exciting leaks have recently surfaced, offering a peek at the Galaxy F55's design and some juicy details. Expect a sleek 6.5-inch display with a zippy 120Hz refresh rate and a 32 megapixels front camera for those perfect selfies. The back might flaunt a 50 megapixels main camera, promising to elevate your photo game. Under the hood, we're looking at an Exynos 1480 Society, backed by up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage for all your needs. Samsung is also throwing in some vibrant color options like Awesome Ice Blue, Awesome Lilac, and Awesome Navy to catch your eye. Though the official launch date is still under wraps, rumors hint that the Galaxy F55 could be making its debut next month. Remember, these details aren't set in stone yet, so let's stay tuned for the official word from Samsung. Leaked images suggest that the Galaxy F55 will keep the design vibes of the Galaxy A54 with a notable upgrade to a metal frame for that extra touch of class, paired with a glass back. Embracing Samsung's Key Island design philosophy, which debuted with the Galaxy F15 and F25, the F55 is expected to feature a distinct frame around its buttons. Leaks have shown us the device in black, blue, and white, hinting at even more colors to come. Can't wait to find out more about the Galaxy F55? You're in the right place. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and keep an eye out for more updates. Catch you later.